Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. This video will be the final in our US Highway 71 series for now. At the end of this video, we rejoin Interstate 49, and since it was getting dark and we'd already covered almost all of that portion of I-49 on the channel already, we ended filming for the day. You can check out the I-49 playlist to see the section of I-49 south from Texarkana, Arkansas to Lafayette, Louisiana. All except for 1 mile that opened up between Louisiana Highway 1 and Interstate 220 in Shreveport. That section hadn't opened yet when we filmed that part of the I-49 series, and it was far too dark on our current trip to add it now. We'll get that the next time we're up that way. We begin today in Little River County, just south of the town of Wilton. We enter the city of Ashdown, the county seat of Little River County. Located within the Arkansas timberlands between the Little River and the Red River, Ashdown's economy and development have historically been tied to the timber industry, a trend that continues to this day. Founded as a small farming community, Ashdown was initially known as Turkey Flats and later Keller before being renamed by Judge Lawrence Alexander Byrne. Following his Keller mill being burned down to ashes, Byrne vowed to rebuild. It was incorporated on June 11, 1892 as Ashdown, and rapid growth began in 1895 following the railroad reaching town. Following World War II, Ashdown's economy began to diversify. Its location near two rivers attracted manufacturing plants such as Coca-Cola bottling plant, a box factory, a clothing plant, an ice plant, and a pallet plant. The United States Army Corps of Engineers dammed the Little River and the Saline River at their confluence in 1966, forming Millwood Lake. The lake's recreational value attracted Nakusa Paper Company's paper mill 2 years later, still in operation today after being purchased by Domtar. In 2019, the estimated population of the city was 4,400. Downtown Ashdown hosts an annual Whistle Stop Festival in May, paying homage to the importance of the railroad to the city's development. Festivities include an art show, catfish cook-off, car show, food vendors, games and activities for children, turtle races, and the crowning of Miss Whistle Stop. A farmer's market is hosted in City Park every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday during the growing season. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Ogden, which had an estimated population of 155 as of 2019. Now a quiet residential community, Ogden was once an agricultural center for the surrounding cotton farms. As of 2013, Ogden is home to 2 Baptist churches. No stores or businesses are located in the city, whose citizens find easy access to shopping in Ashdown or Texarkana. We cross the Red River and enter Bowie County, Texas. We'll only be in Texas for a few minutes before this video ends. At that point, we turned left onto I-49 and went right back into Arkansas. As we drive along this stretch of State Line Road, and the state line is actually just a stone's throw east of the highway here. You'll see an intersection with a state highway, and it has an Arkansas highway shield. This is not an error. When you make that left turn, you cross the state line and you're on Arkansas State Highway 108. We conclude our video and this series here at the junction of US-71, US-59, and Interstate 49. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.